Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to sign up for Simplifi. To sign up for a Simplifi account, the first thing to do is to open your preferred web browser. Now go to the URL box and type in origin.simplifimoney.com and search. Doing so will take you to the official site for Simplifi by Quicken. Simplifi by Quicken is a powerful personal finance management app that simplifies your financial journey. To sign up for Simplifi, first of all go to the top right corner from the main homepage and click on Start your 30-day free trial. Select your plan from the options displayed on the screen and click on Try for free for the selected option. Now, you will need to create an account to gain access to all Quicken applications and products. Enter a valid phone number and then create a password for your account on the next field. Finally, click on Create Account. While creating a password, make sure to include an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and a symbol. After you are done, click on Create Account and enter the 6-digit code sent to you via your email. Open up your email inbox and you'll receive an email from Quicken. Click it Open and then copy the code that you received in it. Once you do that, paste it inside the Verification Code tab inside the Quicken website and click on Submit. Soon after you verify your email, you will need to go ahead and enter your payment information. You can enter a debit card or a credit card information, or if you want to continue with PayPal, choose Pay with PayPal and click on the Start Your Free Trial. Soon after you do that, you will be able to get started with Quicken Simplifi. Now you can sign into your Quicken account by entering your email address and then your password. You'll also need to verify your phone. You'll also need to verify your identity by entering the 6-digit code that has been sent to you via SMS. And that is how you will be able to sign up for Simplifi. Go ahead and connect your financial institution and get started with Simplifi. So that is how you will be able to do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.